Oh. Hayi injalo ayijikike uma isinje. Yeah. Hayi wayithinta akhanyile ngiyabonga mfowethu. Right. Bengifuna ithinta omunye umuntu wamabomu. Right then. Isitha Sase Khaya. Family hater, or a person from your own family that hates your living guts, that does not wish anything good upon your life, that does not want to see you succeed in any way. Whatever you do, in their eyes, it's you don't deserve it. It should be someone else. It should go to someone else. Whatever you do, in their eyes, you're just a piece of yarn. Kulios. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work out that way. Right? The reason why Isitha Oganye, a person that hates you from your own family or your sibling or your mother, your father, your cousin, or whatever the hell it can be. The reason why these types of people are dangerous is because A, they know graveyards. B, they have an idea of who you are. C, they are able to send things through witches using your name, right? However, there is a way to overcome this shit. There is a way to overcome Isitha Sase Khaya. Not everybody responds well to ipogi or things that are done or ghosts that are awoken in graveyards. Not everybody works in darkness, unfortunately. This person basically unomona 99 unomona straight. Umona nawo uwodwa ubumnyama lobo. Because you can't see anything good for someone else. You wish it was yours. Envy. I hit very hard in things like that. I hit very, very, very hard in things like that. Yo. All right. These people usually come together. They plan ways to disturb your peace. They plan ways to disturb your happiness. And they try to find ways to disturb your work. Unfortunately, idlozi, itongo, elethu sonke. Umsambu bafo wethu sonke. Sonke siyakwazi ukuxoxa. And sonke siyakwazi ukuthi siyidikide siyiqondise indaba. Uthi wena usenza ngobu ngesimo sobumnyama. Sibe siyibamba ngesimo senhlanzeko nokukhanya. Wena usabhizi udikida isimo somuntu ongabulela ubuthongo. Thina kodwa sikhulume nalabo abalela ubuthongo. Hoyoyoy, ngeke kunto ayenzayo. Pick a side. Choose ukuthi ngakuphi. Ngeke uze ukuthole kokubili. Ngenile. Bye bye. Sharp and njalo nyaso.